Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I want to show you fresh groundnut. So guys can see it. This is the season of fresh groundnut. Anywhere you go, it's all over the country, you will see it, especially Nigeria. Any market you go in Nigeria, you must see fresh groundnut now because this is the season. So guys, if you want to enjoy it, you wash it and boil it. If you eat raw one, you won't enjoy it. After boiling it, can sit and eat. You will enjoy it. So the thing I will do now, I'll now pour water and wash it and cook it. Make sure you wash it well because of the sand. So when they remove it from farm, the thing will get a lot of sand. So it's everywhere in Nigeria, and because this is the season of it. If you want to dry it as it is now, you put it in the sun and leave it like 1 month for sun. But you can't dry it now because of the rainy season. So you want to dry it during October, November, December. Now you can dry it to turn it to that one that they put inside bottle. But at it now you can't dry it. The only thing that you can do is to wash it and boil it and eat. That is the only thing you feel do for now. After wash it, pour it for the first water, put it for another water, raise it because of the sand. I put water on the fire to boil before putting it so that it will not stay for fire to cook. Put it in, cover it like just 10 minutes. Don't allow it to overdone, because if you overdone, you will not enjoy it. If some they cook it, they will add salt. If you like, you add salt. If you like, you don't add salt. But the one I'm cooking now, I won't add salt because I like it like this without salt. So after I put it, I'll now cover it just 5 to 10 minutes. I'll remove it in the fire. So guys, let's check it. It's done. Now off the light. I'll turn it for strain. If you strain the water, you pour cold water so that the thing will cook quick. You want to so guys can see it. In our place in Nigeria, if you have visitor, if you have a guest come to your house, you can cook it and take it, attend the guest. You boil it and just put it in the plate, put for table for him or her to eat, to enjoy it. So even eat it. If you eat belle food, drink water, you won't care for eating food again because it's the belle food. So can see my sister eating it, enjoying the groundnut. So that is all for fresh groundnut. Please, if you like this video, kindly subscribe to my channel and comment for it. Share it to your loved one. See you in my next video. Bye.